Hey guys, so when I was taking this engine apart the other day, I didn't get down to pulling the lifters and the cam out, so I'm gonna do that right quick so that I can load it up and carry it to the machine shop. Cork seal or a rubber seal? It's cork, and it's tore. I'll have to get me a new seal. Okay. Oh, there's my lifters. All right.
This can ought to just slide out. There it goes. You gotta kind of work it out. Come on, come out of there. This one. Oh, there we go. All right.
Do we have any like little snack bags, little small Ziplocs? I need 12.
There's six.
Dead gum. Huh?
What are you doing?
That's my cam. I mean, that's my lifters. You are SMRT.
That's why you keep me around.
That's it. Alright. So, I want to keep these in order so that they are in order with exhaust on cylinder 1, intake cylinder 1, exhaust cylinder 2, intake cylinder 2. I marked them out on this egg crate so I can keep them straight. So, exhaust 1.
Intake 1. Exhaust 2. Intake 2. Exhaust 3. Intake 3. Exhaust 4. Intake 4. Exhaust 5. Intake 5. Cool. Kind of sticky. Exhaust 6. Intake 6.
There you go. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there because I don't want them to rust at all. Now then, well, that's all I had for now. I'm gonna load this thing in the truck and drop it off in at the machine shop in the morning. I'll see you guys next time. So what I want to do is build a piece that'll slip in there and have an upright with a jack screw that'll hold the front of the engine up. Here's my jack screw. Piece of 1/2-inch Acme thread. And I've got several 1/2-inch Acme nuts that I can probably build me a wing nut, I think. Something else I'd like to build today is a little box for the side of this thing that I can put all of the bolts in that go into the engine blocks. Because right now I've got some, I believe they're 2-inch and 2.5-inch bolts that fit a Ford engine block. As we go along and I wind up having to work on a Chevrolet or a Dodge or a Toyota or a Nissan, I'm sure I'll need different bolts, and it'd be nice to have a little basket on the side of that engine stand that holds all the little various bolts I need. But we'll get back to that. Dadgummit. And the chop saw keeps overheating the breaker, tripping it out. And the chop saw isn't big enough to do a complete 45 like I'd like. Well, I've already run into a stopping point on the wood project. And the little screws I bought, I didn't get them long enough. I need some little bit longer screws. I bought 1/2-inch and it's looking like I'm gonna need either 3/4 or 1-inch. I've got to... there we go. So, now that I've cut that 45 out, I can fold it down and weld it together. That looks pretty square. Question is it square? Not quite. And that's the thing you got to watch out for in fabrication. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, the light's shining right in your eyes. Let me do it this way. Get over here. Some shadow on the back side. Yeah, can you see the daylight there? It's not much. It just needs a tiny bit more. If any of you you who don't know what a Ford wrench is, I'm about to teach you. I do not know the history of the Ford wrench. There is now a company called Ford Meter Box Company that builds appurtenances for water systems. They are not in any way affiliated with Ford Motor Company, and they currently build Ford wrenches. But I feel like at some time in the past, the Ford Meter Box Company was a spinoff of Ford Motor Company. I say that because when you look at this old Ford wrench, it's got the old Ford logo on the wrench. Cool thing about these old wrenches, it's like a crossover between a pipe wrench and an adjustable wrench, a crescent wrench, flat jaws, and they put a square on the end of it that fits extensions. So you can put extensions on it and make your handle length longer. Oil can holder. Now I think it will be time to go to the hardware store because there's things that I need to move forward with that. Alright guys, I'm going to head to the hardware store. I'll see y'all in a little bit. So, we're back. I am going to drill out this pipe cap. That'll work. So, this will give my Acme thread a guide so it's not just all floppy inside the arm. got good and lubricated. That's nice. There we go. Now, on this end will be probably a little cradle that'll sit right over the bearing housing. So there you go, guys. A couple little projects completed. I guess that's about it for this Saturday. I love you guys. God bless, and thanks for watching.